Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Hentges with Beyond the Chart. And in this brief weekend update, we're going to take a look at the Nasdaq Composite, check back in on the semiconductors, home builders, and financials, and then see how gold is doing. So stay tuned. All right, let's start off here with the Nasdaq Composite. This is the daily chart of the Nasdaq. This is the low back in February. We're working a fifth intermediate wave higher, and right now I've got us in to the fifth minor wave up. Okay, so we're in the fifth and final wave of the fifth intermediate wave. Now this wave continues to subdivide down. So I've got minute wave 1, 2, minuet wave 1, 2, and working higher. So we'll continue to monitor the wave count here. Right now, Nasdaq keeps acting very bullish and keeps pushing higher. Let's take a look at the semiconductors next. This is a weekly chart of the semiconductors, and last week I talked about this reversal candle that occurred right here for the week. Was looking to see if we got a close below that low. We did not get the close below the low, and a little bit of an inside, not totally an inside candle because we did push a little bit lower, but I would have to call this, basically sideways consolidation right now. Now it's still watching to see if we get a close below this candle, and that would, I think, turn this a little bit more bearish. We're still seeing divergence, especially on the RSI, DI plus, and on the demand index. So my three key indicators that I usually look at are basically showing divergence, bearish divergence in this move over the last several months. So this could be the top in here, but we need to get it confirmed. Let's take a look at the home builders. Not a whole lot new this week on the home builders. The home builders, an inside candle here for the week trading, up 38 cents, closing at 34.23. So not a whole lot of change. We just continue to look a little bit of sideways movement here over the last several months. But the trend, if we zoom back out, actually this is giving us the bigger picture, at least over the last couple of years. It still looks topping to me, toppish. We broke this little trend line here, and then we're approaching a trend line. We come down and break this one, and then we were approaching a much bigger, longer-term trend line, the one for the entire bull move from March of 2009. So we'll continue to monitor this, as this is a key component of the economic health of the economy. Let's take a look at financials. Financials are looking very bullish. We've been basically in sideways consolidation over the last several weeks. Sorry, this is the weekly chart of the XLF, and you can see the huge bull move that's occurred since the election, as the financials just exploded higher. So right now, everything still looks like they're tracking. No breakdown is evident yet on the financials at this point. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, this is a daily chart of gold. Now, gold, this is GLD, and GLD bottomed and gold bottomed back here in December of 2015. A very long-term downtrend bottom, and we then had a nice big three-wave move higher. My preferred count is that is just the first leg up, and then we've got a second leg that we think has got a decent chance at bottoming over here around 107. My alternate count is that this was the B wave, and so right now we're watching to see, do we continue to get the push higher in here and start another leg. So what I'm expecting, if this WXY, the next leg up, continues to hold, I'm expecting to have another leg comparable to this type of leg higher and take out this W here. Now, when you get going in a new wave up, a new leg up, sometimes it gets rather choppy trying to get that going. And naturally, if you can get 5 little waves up, you're going to get a pullback wave too. So that's what we continue to watch in here. Right now, it's acting bullish, but it's had a pretty extreme move to the downside. This is the count that I'm holding with right now, and we continue to watch and monitor gold for the push to the upside. Now, if it comes down and breaks 107, then the whole bullish case is for sure out the window, at least for the short term. So we continue to watch that. All right, that's it for this video. Everyone have a great Monday. If you thought the video was helpful, please check the like button and share the video with your friends and family. And if you're not watching this on my website, head on over to the website and check out everything I've got for you over there. All right, everyone, have a great week. We'll talk to you in the next video.